All right, Chris, this is the 2011 LT Malibu that we have here on the lot. It is in gold mist color. Just start with the driver's side. This car, like the white diamond, is in nice condition. There's no scratches, no dents, nothing too serious on the exterior of the vehicle. Maybe a few little marks there from loading, but nothing noticeable at all unless you really look for it. Passenger side here is free of scratches, dents, anything big like that. The hood is clear of dents and scratches. The front bumper, no nicks or bumps on that either. Take a look at the windshield, see if there's any chips or scratches, cracks. Looks pretty good. Notice one little scuff in the paint there. I don't know if you can see that. Interior of the vehicle, so same colors as the LTZ. It's that cocoa dune and it is cloth. But there are no tears or rips in any of the seats. Carpet is also in nice shape. A little bit different of a center stack here. The wood, I don't know, is a little bit lighter in this LT than it was in the LTZ. Darker in the LTZ. Seats are nice. Back seat is very clean. No tears, no smells. So this one will not have an upgraded stereo. We'll have a little bit different of a wheel style as well. This one, as an option, has a sunroof, so you won't be losing that in this vehicle. Here. This car, let's see. Showing that it's the miles per gallon average. You can change that menu setting to see how many miles the car has on it. This one has about 24,000 miles. All right, Chris, if you have any questions at all, you can contact us at the dealership. The number here is 208-263-2138. You can ask for Lauren, the gal that you spoke with this morning. Thanks, Chris.